Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter number 6, operations on sets, exercise 6, question number 6. Okay, so here we have given universal set is equals to natural numbers between 10 and 40. A is a multiples of 5, okay, which is a set of universal set, and B is a multiple of 6. So multiple of 5 we can write it as between 10 and 40, that will be 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And multiples of 6 will be 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, after that we have to find A union B and A intersection B. So A union B will be all the elements of A and B, so we will write all the elements of A and B, okay, without repetition. So only 30 is been repeating, so that's why we will write all the elements and once 30. So it will be 9 elements. Now A intersection B, okay, what is common between them? So 30 is common, so that's why we'll write just 30. So that's your answer. In question number 2, we have to show that NA union B is equals to, we have to find out the value. Okay, so we have to show that A union B is equals to NA plus NB minus N intersection B. So as we can see, NA union B is equals to 9 elements, so we will write 9. NA is equals to 5 because 5 elements are there. NB is equals to again 5 elements are there. And A intersection B is 1 element, so write 1. Okay, now therefore NA plus NB minus NA intersection B will be 5 plus 5 minus 1, that is equals to 9. That is equals to NA union B. Okay, so now we have verified that both are equal. Now is next one, question number 8. Here E is given x such that x belongs to whole number where x is less than equals to 10. So you will write all the numbers between 0 and 10. Okay, 10 including, because it is less than equals to, so we have to write 10 also. So 0 to 10 we'll write. In A, x is greater than equals to 5, so we will write all the numbers from 5 to 10. Okay, then B is such that x is greater than equals to 3 and less than 8, so we will not include 8, we will just leave 8, means 7, till 7 we have to write. Now we have to show that A union B dash is equals to A dash intersection B dash. So A union B, first find it out. So A union B will be all the elements of A and B, so we will write all the elements. After that A union B dash, so leaving all these elements, what is left in the universal set? Only 0, 1 and 2 are left, so we will write 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this has become LHS. Now A dash intersection B dash, let's find it out. So first write A dash, means leaving A, whatever elements are left here we will write it over here. Then B dash will be leaving B, whatever elements are left here we will write it over here. Okay, now intersection means what is common between both. So 0, 1 and 2 are common, so we will write 0, 1 and 2. This is your RHS. Now we can see here also 0, 1, 2 has come, and here also 0, 1, 2 has come. Therefore we can say LHS is equals to RHS, that is equals to 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is proved. Now the third part of it, A minus B is equals to A intersection B dash. We have to prove. So first of all, let's take LHS again, A minus B. So first write A, then write B, subtract them. When we will subtract, what is left in A, okay, which is not present in B. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 both are there. So what is left? 8, 9, 10 is not there, so we'll write 8, 9, 10. Okay, in RHS we will write A intersection B dash we have to find. So first write A and then write B dash, leaving B, whatever is left we will write. Okay, now what is common between them? Again you can see 8, 9, 10 is here also, 8, 9, 10 is here also. We will write here 8, 9, 10. Now you can see again LHS is equals to RHS, that is equals to 8, 9, 10. So it is proved. Now comes question number 9. Here we are given NA, NB and NA union B. Okay, the cardinal numbers are given. Now we have to find NA intersection B. So we know the formula. This is the formula. NA union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Now we'll put the values in this equation. So NA union B is 30 given, NA is 20, NB is 16. This we don't know, we have to find it out, so write it as it is. Now after this we will just transpose it. So when this will shift here, minus will become plus, so it will be NA intersection B. And when this will come here, it will become minus. So 36 minus 30. Now 36 minus 30 will give you 6. So therefore NA intersection B is equals to 6. Now question number 11. Here universal number, cardinal number is given, and B dash is given, and A is given, and A union B is given. Now we have to find NB. So NB is equals to NE minus NB dash. Okay, put the values 14 minus 16, that is equals to 24. Now we have got the value of NB. Again, in this formula we will write, okay, here you can find NA intersection B. So again we will put the values 32, NA is 20, NB we have found out 24, and this way we will write as it is. Now again we will shift it over here. When we will shift it over here, it will become positive, and 44, this will become negative. So 44 minus 32, that is equals to 12. So this is your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.